welcome to Trucking and Budgets. So today we're gonna be stuffing my seeking funds and we're gonna be stuffing $523 today. So we're gonna start off with savings, and savings is gonna get $52. So we have 20, 40, 50, 51, 52. Okay. So how is everybody's week doing? My week has been, it's been cool. I didn't really do much but work. So today's my day off, and this is the only time I could shoot my videos. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 108 in savings now. So deposit is gonna get $100. Deposit is for, I'm setting up for an apartment. So now we have 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50. So we have $250 in deposit. Yeah, emergencies get $25. I'm kind of rushing because I got some errands to run and I woke up super late. So now emergencies has 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. Insurance, I finally got a new policy for my car. It seemed like no insurance wants to deal with the type of car I have, because people that have them, they tend to race and crash them all the time. So it seemed like they don't, it seems like they don't want to do full coverage for some reason, or maybe I'm just finding the wrong insurance people, but I finally got a policy that's somewhat affordable because it's expensive. Prada Bear, she gets $20, not 10. I have to get her some food. So I might be using this to get her some food. So now she has 10, 30, $40. And for my insurance, they're charging like $600-700, and I can't do that right now. So I have to get liability. Car maintenance gets $25. So now car maintenance has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. $65 in car maintenance now. Debt gets $20. Now it has 20, 40, 45, 50 bucks in debt. So when I'm gonna start paying off debt when it reaches like a high number, but right now I'm just gonna be saving up, and then I'm gonna just tackle it once I reach a decent number. Don't pay attention to the trackers. Personal gets $10. I know it seems like I'm neglecting myself, but this number is going up once I get more money. So now personal has $20. Clothing gets $10. So now clothing has 5, 10, 15, 20. think it's 25 this time. So cars for like, you know, I'm trying to get like at least a payment ahead or more. So I'm just gonna be stuffing until I reach a decent amount. 50, 70, 75. And that's it for this binder. I should have stuffed this first, but this is like my variable expenses. So groceries gets $100. I honestly don't need anything for groceries, but because I went shopping like recently and I'm still stocked up on stuff, so I'm just gonna put 100 for right now. Gas gets 50. $20, $40, $45, $50. So I'm gonna be using that today probably, because gas is running a little low. I need to fill up. Dining out gets nothing because I still have food in the house. Yeah, so dining out gets nothing because I have food and I'm not trying to spend outside. Household gets 10. Miscellaneous gets 25. Only got $1 left. That sucks. Dang. Okay, miscellaneous gets 25. Okay. Yeah, this video is kind of quick, because this week I had to take care of some things, so I really didn't have nothing extra, so I have $1 left. So I'll just go ahead and add it to my dollar savings challenge. Then like hopefully next week or next check, I'll be doing some savings challenges with that. That'll be the next video, savings challenge. I don't count the dollars or the $5 until the end of the year. So that's pretty much it. This was a quick video. I just wanted to shoot it before I took care of my business. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.